The tech industry is constantly evolving, and the right employees can help a company stay ahead of the curve. Conducting effective job interviews is an essential skill for leaders to be able to identify top talent in this competitive market. In this video, we'll discuss tips on how to conduct a job interview effectively in the tech industry, as well as provide some sample interview questions. Prepare for the interview. Before conducting the interview, it is crucial to prepare thoroughly. Review the candidate's resume, cover letter, and any other relevant materials. Familiarize yourself with the company's values, culture, and expectations for the position. Develop a list of questions that will allow you to assess the candidate's technical knowledge, problem-solving skills, and fit with the company. Focus on technical skills. Technical skills are critical in the tech industry. Asking questions that delve into a candidate's technical knowledge and experience is essential. Consider the following interview questions. What programming languages are you proficient in? Can you walk me through your experience working with a specific software or hardware? Describe your experience working with APIs and web services. Can you give an example of a complex technical problem that you solved? What was your approach? Evaluate problem-solving skills. Problem-solving skills are critical in the tech industry, as employees must be able to identify and solve complex issues. Consider asking questions such as, how do you approach solving technical problems? Can you describe a time when you identified an issue that others overlooked? How did you solve it? How do you prioritize tasks and make decisions when faced with competing priorities? Assess communication skills. Effective communication is important in any industry, but it is especially crucial in the tech field where complex ideas need to be explained in layman's terms. Ask candidates to discuss their communication skills and provide examples of when they had to explain a technical concept to a non-technical stakeholder. You might ask, can you tell me about a time when you had to communicate technical information to a non-technical person? How do you ensure that your communication is clear and concise? Describe a time when you had to collaborate with someone with a different work style or communication preference. How did you handle it? Use behavioral questions. Behavioral questions can help you understand how candidates would approach situations in the workplace. Some good questions include, describe a time when you disagreed with a coworker or manager. How did you handle the situation? Can you tell me about a project where you encountered a roadblock? How did you overcome it? How do you ensure that your work meets deadlines and quality standards? Consider cultural fit. Cultural fit is critical in any industry, and the tech field is no exception. Employees must be able to work collaboratively, adapt to change, and thrive in a fast-paced environment. Consider asking questions like, what work environment do you thrive in? How do you prefer to work? How do you handle conflicts or disagreements with coworkers? Can you tell me about a time when you had to adapt to a change in the workplace? Provide a realistic job preview. Finally, provide candidates with a realistic job preview. Discuss the responsibilities of the position, the company culture, and what the work environment is like. Some good questions to ask include, what excites you about this position? Can you tell me about a time when you had to learn a new technology or software? How did you approach it? What do you hope to gain from this job? Conducting an effective job interview in the tech industry requires careful preparation, a focus on technical skills, problem-solving abilities, communication skills, behavioral questions, cultural fit, and providing a realistic job preview. Understanding how to conduct a job interview effectively will help you identify the best candidates for the job and build a strong team that can drive your company's success. You can learn more about management and leadership in my Pluralsight course, Launching Successful Teams. This course includes animated, scenario-based training, and you'll watch as a management team uses best practices in managing and leading fully remote and hybrid teams. Visit HoffsTech.com/launchingteams to get started with a free trial today. What questions do you have about conducting job interviews? Let me know in the comments, and please be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.